everybody, it's the Southern Bells here, and we just decided that we would pop in very quickly for a Stitch Fix unboxing. Well, not really an unboxing, but a try-on. There we go.
It's that time.
It is. And you see how tiny it is? When I saw this, I thought, okay, this is going to be all summer stuff.
It's not winter anymore with thick sweaters and all that.
But it wasn't. It's a good combination, I think, and I have already opened it. In fact, I've tried things on already and everything, but I just wanted to kind of do this unboxing so that I could get it back in the mail. And this is kind of a horrible day down here in South Carolina.
Yes, tornado warnings, tornado watches, and rain and flooding. It's crazy.
We spent, I don't know how long, kind of just sitting in the bathroom because of the tornado alerts that were around here.
Yeah, it's the most inner room that we have, so
yeah.
It's the safest room in that circumstance.
So we decided to lighten the mood a little bit and do this Stitch Fix unboxing. So we're going to just get started right with the try-on after I tell you that Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service. You get 5 items when you choose to try them out, if you choose to try them out, which I hope you do. And if you do, I have a link at the bottom where you can get a $25 credit towards your first purchase, as well as I think your $20 styling fee waived.
Cool.
So it has a prepaid mailer that if for whatever you don't want, you just send it back, pop it in your mailbox, or take it to the post office. If you do purchase an item, the $20 styling fee will come off of the price of that item. So,
alright, you ready to get started?
Yeah, we're going to get started with a try-on.
Let's do it.
Okay, so here are the first 2 pieces of my fix.
She looks pretty good, doesn't she?
I really, really do like these 2 pieces. I'll let you tell us what they are.
Okay. So this first piece is the Market and Spruce Haileah V-neck mix medium top. It is $54 in off-white.
And I will say it's soft, but not kind of like sweater soft, because this is a lightweight. It's almost
like
in between
cotton and knit material kind of.
It's almost in between a light sweater and a t-shirt material. I don't know if that makes sense or anything. And it has this nice V-neck right here that I really love. But are you ready?
Where's the party?
Look at
the party's in the back.
Playing in the front, party in the back.
That's right.
You know, I don't know that I've usually gone for these types of shirts before. Right. But I love the little shiny gold polka dots.
Yes, they're fun.
And it is sheer. I do have on a camisole underneath it, but I think that's fine. But yeah, I don't know, maybe getting a little bit closer to see if you can.
I'm jealous of this top. It's so neat.
Well, I just think there's so many things that you can do with it. So many ways you can style it. You can style it a little bit dressier.
Or very casual.
Yeah, you could put a vest over it, a jean jacket over it.
Definitely.
So, I really, really, well, I know I'm going to keep this. I'll just be honest. I know.
She already wore it today, so she went out to town and wore it. So.
Yeah, so it's so comfortable, and I don't know. I just think it's a fun top.
It is.
You know, it's different enough. You know, I'm not a flashy person, but it's different enough to where it's just got that little something.
That's right. You just don't wear it if you eat spaghetti.
No, no, don't want to do that.
I never spill anything unless I'm wearing white, and then I spill everything.
That's the way it is.
And
then the second thing that I have on are these jeans. I did request from Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. I did request some newer black jeans, because as you know, when you start washing black jeans, they start getting kind of lighter and lighter and lighter. And I know you can't see the bottom of these right now because I did pair them with my knee-high boots, but when I try my next top, I'm going to change shoes so you can see the length and everything of these.
Alright, so these are the Studio Blue Brooklyn Stretch Skinny Jeans in black, and they're $48, so they're actually less than the top.
And they fit me pretty well, too. I think they're stretchy.
They're very slimming, too.
I like
Not that you need slimming, but they are slimming.
Things just shift as you get older. But yeah, I really like these two. And if you know anything about me, I really do like very neutral colors a lot. In fact, I have to make myself kind of put on a pop of color every once in a while. But I love this outfit. And I think if you had on a jean jacket with this, that this would be just like on a day-to-day especially. You know, rainy and yucky and everything, but this would be a perfect outfit for that.
Yes, I love it.
So, and how much were the jeans?
The jeans were $48.
And they were studio, you probably already said this.
Oh yeah, they're studio blue.
Okay, yeah. So, great job, Nicole. I do like both of these pieces, and both of these pieces are keepers.
Yes.
Okay, so let me try on the next top.
Let's get to it.
And here's my next top, but before we get to that, I did want to show you the length of the jeans. I even took my socks off on this cold day so you could see it a little bit better. But yeah, they fit very nicely. I like everything
Those
pretty
are
much
good
about
jeans.
these jeans. Okay, now for this top.
Alright, so this is the Skies Are Blue Fairly Tie Detail Top in red, and it's $54, so it's the same as the other top. And it's really cute too.
Yeah, I like this top as well. It has little flouncy sleeves with the little bows here. It does have a lining up under it.
Yes. If we know one thing about her is that she loves the sleeves, fun sleeves.
Yes. And I thought it was going to be short when I put it on, but I really kind of like the length of this.
It hits just right.
Does it go down in the back? I can't really tell.
Very slightly. There is a very slight, what do you call it, a taper hem or something like that?
I just think high-low, but I don't know what it's called. But yeah, and the material is kind of a soft material, but not really in a t-shirt way, but it's still soft. So I don't really. I should have looked, Kayla. I'm sorry, I didn't look and see what the material was. But she always gives the material, which is kind of helpful when knowing about laundering and stuff like that. But yeah, this is the next top,
and it's nice.
So I like it too. I think I like the other one better, but I do like this one.
This one's patriotic too. You have your 4th of July outfit ready.
Oh, there you go.
Or maybe Veterans Day. It's a bit more time of year you would wear this kind of top.
Yeah. Memorial Day and 4th of July might be a little too warm for it.
At least here.
Okay. And the next thing I have to try on is the dress. So I'll be right back. And here's my last clothing item. It's this dress that has that soft, brushed-like t-shirt feel to it. Yeah, it feels good. It feels really good. What is this?
This is a French gray made 3/4 length sleeve knit dress in black, and it's $48. The style reminds me a lot of dresses that I've gotten through Stitch Fix before.
And they look really good on you.
Thank you.
My problem with this kind of dress, and I don't know, you tell me what you think, how it looks on me. But and we were laughing at the beginning because we're almost the same size. I have on heels right now, or as far as height goes.
Right.
But it's funny because every time we sit down to do a video, she's like this much taller
Way taller than her.
And we were actually measuring, and her torso is longer. I am short-waisted. She's longer-waisted than I am. So I'm wondering if this type of dress makes me look even more smushed up, I guess you could say.
I think it looks good on you.
Well, they look really good on her, really, really good. And I do like this dress. I just don't know if I would wear it or not. And I'm going to look back at the video and see, because you know sometimes the video looks a little bit different than just looking in the mirror too. But it does have this ruching on the sleeves. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting's going to decide to go out a little bit, it looks like. But yeah, it is a pretty, I like the print and it's black, I like that as well. This is the dress, and I do like the dress. I just don't know that it flatters me in the best way. I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to get even closer, and here you can definitely tell that it's raining with the frizz in my hair. But these are the earrings.
They are the Marlyn Schiff Dune Beaded Teardrop earrings in gold silver.
I still don't know if the lighting's going to allow you to see that. Sometimes what shows up here doesn't show up on the actual video when we put it up. But I do think these are pretty. I like these. They're larger than I usually wear, but they're very light. I can't even really tell they're in there. I think they have some pretty movement to them and everything. And I would love to keep these, but I would only keep them if it was a 5 for $5 to get that discount on them and everything. So that is my Stitch Fix for this time. Yeah,
it was a good one.
It was, and I had to confess something else. When I peeked. When I went and I peeked, I looked at all of these pieces, and I may even have told you.
She did.
I was like, I don't think I have the same stylist. These just don't, I don't really like these pieces. And so when I got it and I looked at the note, it was still Nicole. And it just made me think, Nicole really knows what she's doing.
She can dress you even more than you would think to dress yourself.
Yeah.
I don't mean that as an insult.
No,
I mean,
I understand.
She thinks of things you wouldn't think of.
Yeah, I probably would not have picked any of those pieces, except maybe the jeans, you know, because jeans are just kind of standard, I guess you'd say. I wouldn't have picked any of the other pieces on my own, but she did great, and I watched another YouTuber, and they said their stylist was Nicole, and they did not get her, and I thought, oh no, please don't let Nicole, please let her still be there, please let her still be there, and so I was kind of scared the whole time. So she was still there, and thank you, Nicole, if you happen to be watching. But that's our Stitch Fix for the day. I almost tripped over Pumpkin over here. And we would love to have you subscribe to our channel.
The Southern Belle.
Yeah, hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell, and you'll be notified anytime we put up a video. And we are going to be branching out a little bit more.
I'm excited for this.
We're going to do a little more lifestyle type things, maybe some of our favorite recipes. And one thing that we've really started doing since the new year to save money as well as to not have waste is to meal plan, which I have done in the past, but it didn't work in the past, but I'm trying a new way, and it seems to be working out.
It's working. We've been doing it
really
for 3 weeks now?
Yeah,
Going on
3 or 4,
weeks.
and we love it. So we're going to share that with you, too, in another video. So until next time,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Have a great day.